Presidential Spokesperson Harry Roque has shared on Facebook, Boracay is his happy place. To help boost tourism in the island close to his heart, Roque held one of his regular press briefings there. Unknown to many, Roque had to be rescued by a lifeguard hours before the live briefing. It happened while he was swimming in the famous Boracay waters. Roque revealed it in an interview on ABS-CBN's Teleradyo.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.